Hey there guys, just want to make a quick video on a modification that I did to the Victorinox Junior 9 from the Delemont line. So let me pull out the original. Here we go. This is the original style blade, the blunted rounded tip. And I really like the rest of the tool set and the specs of the knife. Would have preferred the regular scales, but this is the Delemont, which they have with the contoured Evo grips from Wenger, and 85 millimeter instead of 84. So if you could see there, I just used a Dremel to change the profile from that rounded safety tip that they designed for children, and I put a little bit of a point to that, giving it a sharper tip. I still have to fix the edges. It's serviceable. We'll cut through paper pretty, this is the factory edge that they have with, some of these, the children's line is not as sharp. So I guess I have to fix that. So I'm gonna have to put a sharper edge on this. But you can see there, it's pretty sharp from the factory. And so yeah, I just wanted to make it more usable. It is a very nice tool set. Got a locking blade, although you can't grip it this way because you disengage the lock. So you have to be careful if using this for whittling or carving. You would have to grip up on top over that locking mechanism or pinching with your thumbs. So something to consider. And I tried looking at the possibility of putting the ISC combo tool, because this does not have a can opener, and I was hoping to have a can opener instead of the file. I might just make a cord cutting edge here. So, but very nice tool set. It's 2 ounces and probably a little bit lighter, but it comes out at 2 ounces on my digital scale. You've got the 85 millimeter saw, and that's what I like about this. This is great for camping. So some people call this the mini hiker. I saw a Japanese seller call this the mini hiker. You've got a backside Phillips, no awl, and no can opener, but you've got a nice blade that's locking, and you've got your saw, and the only change is really the tip. But very nice tool set. These go for a brand new one, $40 on Amazon, between $36 to $40. And I picked these 2 up used from eBay for about $16.50 a piece. And now they are, in my opinion, better for my usage. And this I'll keep the same way. This I bought used as well for about $20. And this one is my son's designated sort of camping knife. He is about to turn 13, so a little bit of an added safety feature is good, but I did want him to start working on some, skills when we're out camping, being able to build a fire, simple shelter. So this will do the job. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you all later.